Over 50, your lymphatic flow slows down. Visceral belly fat becomes stubborn, and joints feel stiffer than before. Through this gentle 15-minute Tai Chi walking routine, you will activate full-body lymphatic drainage, melt deep visceral fat, and regain natural flexibility with zero joint impact. Exercise 1. Side tap arm extension. Palms together in front. Tap one toe to the side as you inhale and open arms wide. Exhale back to center and switch sides. This stimulates underarm lymphatic drainage and gently lubricates the shoulder joints. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 2. Cross arm half squat. Gently half squat with arms crossed at your chest. Inhale as you stand tall and cross arms overhead. Then exhale back down. This targets lower belly fat, mobilizes the spine, and boosts lower body circulation. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 3. Weight shift arm open. Shift your weight to the left with toe tapped, crossing arms up and opening wide with an inhale. Exhale to return, then switch sides. This promotes hip joint lubrication and stimulates full body lymphatic flow. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 4. High knee arm swing. Raise your arms high. Inhale, and as you exhale, lift one knee while swinging arms downward with rhythm, alternating sides. This rhythmic motion burns calories, burns visceral fat, and builds core stability. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 5. Spread wings. Stand feet hip-width apart. Cross arms at your chest. Inhale deeply as you raise them up and expand outward like wings. Exhale down. This opens the chest, aligns posture, and lowers cortisol stress. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6. Torso twist with shoulder tap. Gently twist your torso left and right, letting arms swing naturally. One hand taps your lower back. The other taps the opposite shoulder. This relieves shoulder tension, massages abdominal organs, and soothes the vagus nerve. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 7. Lunge with back reach. Palms together in front. Step back into a gentle lunge as you inhale and extend one arm straight back horizontally. Exhale back to center and switch sides. This activates deep pelvic lymph flow and burns lower body fat. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8. Back kick with arm swing. Arms straight forward. Inhale, and as you kick one straight leg back gently, swing both arms straight behind you. Exhale, forward and alternate. This strengthens the lower back, engages glutes, and boosts caloric burn. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9. Forward bend arm sweep. Stand wide with hands in prayer. Exhale as you gently bend forward toward the ground. Then inhale to open arms parallel to the sides, rising smoothly. This promotes circulation of abdominal organs and enhances spinal mobility. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 10. Self-hug chest expansion. Stand tall. Exhale as you wrap your arms tightly around your chest in a warm hug. Then inhale deeply as you open arms wide to expand. This releases upper back stiffness, supports diaphragmatic breathing, and calms the nervous system. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 11. Hip twist overhead palm push. Stand with soft knees. Gently twist your hips to one side as you inhale and push the opposite palm straight overhead. Exhale to switch sides. This stimulates visceral fat burning, improves pelvic lymphatic drainage, and elongates the spine. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 12. Wide chest arm expansion. Stand wide. Shift your weight sideways as you inhale. Open both arms wide parallel to the ground and lift your chest high. Exhale back to center and alternate. This opens the rib cage for diaphragmatic breathing and releases mid-back stiffness. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 13. Front toe tap side arm extension. Tap one toe forward as you inhale and extend both arms straight out to the sides, parallel to the ground. Exhale to draw your foot back, bending elbows to cross arms at your chest. This stimulates underarm lymphatic drainage and enhances joint stability. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 14. Back lunge elbow pull. Extend arms forward. Inhale as you step back into a gentle lunge, bending your elbows to pull arms wide at shoulder height. Exhale back to start. This engages the core, melts lower body fat, and relieves shoulder blade tension. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 15. Gentle neck rolls. Stand feet apart with hands on your hips. Breathe slowly and roll your head in a smooth, gentle circle clockwise. Then reverse. This calms the vagus nerve, relieves cervical spine pressure, and promotes blood circulation to the brain. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 16. Side tap chest opener. Tap one toe to the side as arms reach forward. Then inhale deeply and sweep arms wide to the sides. Exhale as you return to center and switch. This enhances full body lymphatic drainage, boosts fat metabolism, and aligns your posture. Wonderful job today. Consistency is your true fountain of youth. Which movement gave your body the greatest relief today? Tell me in the comments below. Subscribe and practice with me daily.